Hi guys, welcome back for another video. We are exploring our files and I'm gonna scroll really fast. The first models are really, common models. So let's see what we can find here. We have Toby, and what's the name of this blue one? I already forgot, see? I'm getting old. Sir Handel. Toby is from Mattel. Here's Percy, Toby. Remember, I used to sell, I'm gonna say this again and again, sell on eBay a lot, so I had to put them on bundles or lots. Here's Dennis with Toby and some cards. Now this set right here, it's Flynn and Bell. The theme is, the rescue cars, and that's why I put them as you can see right here. Now we have here Kaylin and Rocket, or Stephen. Some countries they call it Stephen. Nice. Now maybe it's with the brake train. Is it brake train? Let me know in the comments. Now here is Flora tramways with the complete set. Really nice. Some tear and wear on the stickers, but it was a good model. Look, here's another lady with troublesome truck. Henry 2009. The tender is not attached. Here's a Tolkien James. Nice model. Here's Tolkien Salty. Now these two passenger cars, I don't know which set they came from. Let me know in the comments, or which part of the set or whatever. I don't know. Now we are looking at inside dining. Is it dining cars? Yes, I think so. Very small figurines inside and a little bit of good details, to be honest. What do you guys think? Now here is another one. See inside livestock with some pigs, chicken, and what's the other things? I don't know. Leave it in the comments. Let me know what do you see right here. The chips, not chips, sheep. Okay, here's Toby and the clown car, missing the small car with, oh, look at this. This one is called Dusted Duncan, I think. Let me know how they call it in your country. Different countries, they have different names. It's a Green Thomas from Trackmaster 2. The name of this one is Bert. Another Murdoch. Reneas with caboose. I think that caboose was for Boko. But anyways, Duke and SC Roofy, or Scroofy, like some people say. But I'm saying it's C Roofy because it does have some dots. Now we have Trackmaster 2, Samson, Scroof, Thomas, Gordon, James, Emily, and Henry. Sold as a lot. I don't remember how much I sold that lot. Here's a Tolkien Percy. See the bottom tab right there, and see the speakers on the back. Tidmouth milk tankers, soda fuel tankers. Remember, I don't have those anymore. I'm just exploring the files on my PC, so it's good to remember and see what's available. Oh, now look at this really nice set. I remember I bought 3 sets of these models from a person. Wasn't even an eBay seller. That person sold a lot of models, and in that lot there were 3 of these sets. I don't remember, but I think it's some kind of 60-year celebration or something. Let me know in the comments, because I am not fan of Thomas and Friends, so we're looking at the complete set, if I'm not mistaken, with including the old slow coach, the brakeman, and that car. I don't know if that one is a troublesome truck. No, it's not. but really nice model. Lucky buyer if he still have the set. Really nice model. Now the only thing that I don't like on this model is the open side of this all slow coach. Other than that, I mean, you open it to see inside, see. And probably I think if I've seen some pictures online, there should be a figurine inside for that set. I don't know if it's Sir Topham hat or a conductor. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. You are the experts. You are the experts, not me. So here is Maybes with a Sodor Qual Depot car. Another Henry. James from 2009, right there. Percy and the mail car with the sliding doors. Missing the middle thing on, I don't know what's that thing, the middle of Percy. But anyways, here is another Salty with a mining car. Henrietta. Another Percy. Oh, look at this Diesel 10. I think because of the face, I think it's from 2009. It has a smooth face. Yes, it's 2009 Mattel. We have Proteus. Back in those days, remember, I did not have enough time, just buy and sell, buy and sell. So we're looking at the pictures that I took on, and I posted online on eBay from 2017. If I'm not mistaken, from May 2017. It is a Henry. This one is Mattel. Look at the battery cover. It's Mattel. Yes, right there. See? Now we have here a James. This one is from Tommy. Tolkien James from Mattel. Hero. I don't remember if those are Mattel and Hitoya, but this one is Hitoya. I don't recall if Hero came in two different, I mean, if the manufacturers made it in Mattel too. Let me know in the comments. Reneas and Caboose again. Oh, this one, oh yes, it's complete. Okay. Now these two red passenger cars, I don't remember. No, these are not from, these are Hitoy company, so they are not from Oliver. Another lady. And now we are in Bachmann. We are looking at Toby. Yeah, I used to sell those too. Bachmann does have a better details than Trackmaster. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, some of these, what's the other brand that is similar to Bachmann? They made a really quality detailed models. So nice Toby. And we have here the set of Tomas and Plarail. So if you see the set of pictures, that's the listing I used to put on eBay, a set of pictures. So we're looking at trying to show 6 sides of the models, and that's a pretty close, the best we can do on eBay. You can put up to 12 pictures. Remember, I no longer sell on eBay. So I used to sell them in separate parts, you know, on parts like this. Right here, I sold that separate. The controller and the power adapter and the connector for the track. Now look at this really detailed model from Thomas Kinkaders, Christmas Express. This engine is really nice. I sold some of those. I don't remember how many, don't recall, but anyways, this one does have a lot of details and really fragile parts. Wow, nice. But anyways, I think that's all for today's video, guys. And we have the last one is Thomas from Bachmann, Thomas alone. And that's all. Okay, thanks for watching. Over and out. See you on the next one.